Hi guys, so I saw the request for a kindergarten lesson. Two people commented that their children are in kindergarten, and the one was very specific about adding to 10, so that's what I'm going to work on today. So what I want to show you is you can take anything that you have at home and basically use it as a manipulative. A manipulative is basically just anything that can be touched in order to help with math. Because as we know, math is very abstract, so sometimes it's just hard for children to understand just the numbers. So if you have the problem, for instance, 3 plus 7, and you're trying to decide what that answer is, you can have your child simply take 3. So 1, 2, 3. Hopefully they don't roll away on me. All right, so you have your 3. And then you say, okay, now you want to add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this gives the visual. 3 plus 7. 1, then you add them. You just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then your child would be able to say, okay, so 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, you could do the same thing no matter what the problem is. 5 plus 5. My handwriting looks horrible on that chalkboard, but I promise you it's better than that. So if you have, again, I'm using 2 different examples so you can see you can use whatever you have at home. All right, so now we're going to do 5 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have them group that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have them group that. Now you have 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they will be able to tell 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, so you would literally just do that. You can do it with everything. Obviously 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, and it keeps going. I also found this chart, which I think is extremely helpful. I found this online, so if you want to kind of have this written out for your child to kind of memorize, a lot of times we hear of the multiplication chart, but I think the addition chart is actually really cool for kindergarten. So here is the number, the first number that you would be adding. Here would be the second number that you're adding. So if your child is trying to figure out what 2 numbers equal in order to figure out 10, say they want to say, okay, you say to your child, 4 plus what equals 10? They would go to this chart and they would go down until they get to the 10. They look over here and it's oh, and then it's 4 plus 6. Same thing over here, 7 plus what equals 10? You have 7, you go down to where the 10 is, you slide across, 7 plus 3. So that is how this chart works. So what I want you guys to do at home now, because remember I said in order to be entered into the giveaway, I need to see your child actually doing the math lesson. So this obviously is a very quick mini lesson. You can kind of, help your child as much as they need. I definitely recommend using things that they can touch and move around in order for it to make sense. Then transfer it over to writing, because you want them to get the connection between seeing it, feeling it, and then writing it. And then what I want you to do is I want you to send me a video of your child doing it, doing the lesson. And in order to do that, I have this little guide for you. So this is what I will be having your child complete. So the first one says how many more to make 10, and you are going to have them add it up. Again, you can use, can you see it, or should I move the screen? Have them, you can, obviously on here it's different pictures. You can have them using whatever you want. So if you have a whole bunch of decorative lemons like I do, you can use that. If you have candy, you can use that and just act like it represents whatever's on the paper. So if they complete these 4 problems for me, all right, so you would send me a video of them doing it with some sort of manipulative, of them writing it and then giving the answer. I will enter you into a giveaway. Keep the learning going. Don't stress them out too much. Try not to stress yourself out. Stay strong, stay safe, stay alive. Thank you.